Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Stocks and You. I'm your host Ulises Herrera. Guys, today we're going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I think that our last video's predictions are somewhat coming true of what we said would be happening. If you guys recall, on my last video I said this exact scenario could be playing out on the 1 hourly. We were trying to get back into the channel, and then we were going to get rejected and probably retest here to form a type of double bottom formation for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So check it out, both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this is the video when I said that would be a potential thing to happen. So let me show you real quick. So let's say we retest, 40,000, 42. This could turn into like some kind of double bottom and then boom, eventually explode up. Could be retesting 32 and then see if that holds. That could turn into a double bottom as well. So that should be interesting to watch, guys. And there it is, guys. So if you guys like the fact that our prediction seems to kind of be playing out at this moment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. Our video predictions come true time and time again, and I don't know why I'm doing the power triangle, but Hov, Jay-Z or whatever. Yeah guys, so let's see what's gonna be happening for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next couple hours, because these are really what drive the market right now. As you can see, we've been having a pullback, which is what I mentioned would happen on our last video, and the entire market is just kind of pulling back, and some of it's pulling back pretty hard. Polkadot down 7%, you got Hex down 12%, you got Crowcoin down 4%, you got HBAR 3%, Jasmy pummeled by 5%, and Mana is down 6%, Engine, Sandbox, they're all down, guys. So let's get into what would happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these are what drive the market. So right now, guys, it seems that Bitcoin kind of finding a bottom right here on the 1 hourly, which once again is what I just said. Now to me, these momentum lines are telling me like we could be seeing an upside. We could be finding that bottom towards 42,000. It just looks like we're trying to really solidify that could be a potential bottom, but nothing that's out of the cards yet, guys, because there's one thing on the 1 week chart that we have to really be paying attention to, which is not a great thing. Obviously not super terrible, but not great either. So we have this candle closing. This is a new weekly candle right here, which just printed about I think it was yesterday. This candle is telling me that there's indecision, guys. Whenever you have two candles like this, it's telling me that there's indecision, and the next candle is going to be very, very, very important, guys. So we really need to hold these levels, otherwise we're going to start spewing into lower weekly candles, and that will eventually not be a good thing for the short term. We're not talking for the long term. Long term, I'm bullish completely on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know it's going to be taking over the world, but in the short term, if we close another weekly candle below here, that would not be a good thing. So right now, this indecision is telling me that the next candle is very, very, very important, guys. We need to look out for that. But for the next couple of hours on Bitcoin, it looks like the 4 hourly is kind of finding a bottom right here, on this momentum wave. And oops, did I just delete my RSI? Yeah, I think we did. RSI looked like it was finding a bottom towards the 1 hourly. So it looks like we could potentially maybe be seeing a little uptick again in the 1 hourly, and the 4 hourly we're kind of once again getting towards finding the bottom. We could still go back down to probably 41.5 or even 41,000, and even we could retest 40,000 in general, and then try to come back up. Now if we start to solidify candles, like we were kind of already on our way here, guys. So in a way, this is very important, because this is what's called a whale splash, I believe. When you pump up and then you kind of do a little whale retest, and then boom, like that. So that could be a scenario that could be playing out, unless we just start printing candles below my horizontal ray line of support. Then it could get, you know, dirty, and we could start printing here and then seeing if that holds as support. But ultimately we want to see a whale splash and then boom, go back up. So we have yet to see in the next couple of days and hours to see if this is what's going to be happening and holding, because otherwise we're going to see some lower price actions, guys. We're going to keep seeing lower price actions if these levels do not hold. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on for Bitcoin. Let's go with Ethereum. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. We're barely hanging on to the 50-day moving average. We print up one more candle here, we'll be right on it, and if you print one more candle below it, it's obviously usually not a good thing. And we're talking about the death cross as well, guys. Everybody's talking about the death cross for Bitcoin. When the 50 and the 200-day moving average lines cross below, that's telling you that there is something not gonna be good happening. And it's usually, once again, everybody's talking about how the death cross is a lagging indicator, and I believe that as well. We don't need to have a death cross to tell us that we've been in the dumps for a while, guys. We've been in the dumps, and death crosses usually almost tell you like, hey, by the way, you're gonna get a dump, or you've had a dump. It's kind of like hey, let's say you just get like shot or stabbed or something. It's like, I don't need somebody to tell me I've been shot or stabbed. I'm gonna be able to tell on my own. And that's kind of what the death cross is. It's telling us that we've dumped so much, and things are maybe gonna get a tiny bit dumpy. Just like if you got shot, you're not gonna feel great after if you got shot on the arm or whatever, stabbed in the arm. So you already know that, and you already know the pain is coming. And that's kind of what the death cross is in these lagging indicators for Bitcoin. It's just telling us like, look, we've been dumping, guys, and that's just what it is. Could we keep dumping a little bit more after this? Yeah, once again, we could even retest 38,000, but we don't need a death cross to tell us that this is happening, guys. So Ethereum, same thing. 3,000 is like on the daily is a major point of support. After that, guys, the next point of support comes in at really like 2,800 around here, and then after that it's just 2,300. So do I think that both Bitcoin and Ethereum on the one-day chart probably have more to dump? It seems as if we could see like lower price action, but let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. There's no clear direction for me right now. I'm gonna see if these 1 hour time frames hold, and then after that, if these hold, we could be looking bullish for the lower time frames for a while. Alrighty, guys, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.